Hello, my name is Sam Maitra. I'm the CEO of 𝗶𝗃 Green Straws. We are a global provider of natural drinking straws. Our mission is to wipe out plastic drinking straws and replace them with sustainable alternatives. Our straws are plant-based and do not go soggy or change the taste of your drink. We are happy to be working with Global Trade Plaza as they helping us find leads and increasing the extent of our impact. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you.